Hello guys, I'm Tim Esposito with Enzo's Cleaning Solutions. We're here at North Olmsted Schools in North Olmsted, Ohio. It's a school bus garage, and we're going to do a demonstration based on how they wash their school buses, and the same concept with the salt neutralizer and the undercarriage unit. And here what we're standing next to is a 10 gallon a minute machine at 2000 psi. We actually private label this unit. It's a Mighty M, which is made in Iowa, and it's everything's made here in the US. So as you see, this is a pretty large unit, and it's 10 gallon a minute, so you'll get to see and experience the undercarriage unit in action with some good flow behind it. But just wanted to kind of touch a little bit about Enzo's Cleaning Solutions. We've been in business about 11 years. What we really try to do as a company is find or actually help customers out with their need. So we're not trying to sell them just a unit. We're looking at what they are going to need in their wash bay to actually be able to do their jobs efficiently, effective, and safe. We happen to get with the Bureau of Workmen's Comp and talk to them and show them exactly how the school was able to wash their buses without any type of safety hazard. So when you're using a brush, you have the potential of carpal tunnel. You have neck injuries looking up if you're getting on a ladder and washing the bus. You have the opportunity of the pressure pushing you over and falling off the ladder. In this instance, with the undercarriage, they were using a creeper crawling underneath the bus with a pressure washer, and all the crud and dirt and rust would fall off and fall into their face, and plus it'd get wet. So the BWC saw it as definitely a way to escape from any injuries. We have the cable, or the track system up above where the hoses hang in the air, and it allows and it keeps the hose off of the ground for any trips and falls. So we're going to have Paul, from one of the mechanics, he's going to actually demonstrate how they use the system. So we're big on making sure that we do the right things for our customers, and we're all about integrity, and what's really nice about us is that we genuinely care about what we're putting in each location for our customers. Like I said, we're a small family business. I've been around for 11 years, and really take pride in what we do.
Enzo's Cleaning Solutions pressure washer works awesome for our shop. It cuts down on wash time, makes the buses easier to work on. It's an awesome system all around.